Today, I'll show you how to link your Ionos email to Gmail so you can read everything in one inbox without constantly switching accounts. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Gmail pulling in messages from your Ionos address automatically using secure settings and a reliable backup. First, make sure you're signed into the Gmail account where you want your Ionos emails to appear. On a computer, open Gmail in your browser. In the top right corner, look for the small gear or cog icon which opens the settings menu. Click that, then choose See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings page with several tabs along the top. From here, click on the tab labeled Accounts and Import. This is where Gmail manages how it sends and receives mail from other addresses. Take a moment to look around this page so you're comfortable with what's there, but focus on the section called Check Mail from Other Accounts. This is the part that lets Gmail pull messages from an external inbox like your Ionos account. In that Check Mail from Other Accounts section, click on Add a Mail Account. A new window or pop-up will appear asking for the email address you want to add. Type in your full Ionos email address carefully without any spaces and then continue. Next, Gmail will ask what you want to do with this account. Choose the option that says Import emails from my other account, POP3. POP3 is just a standard way for one mail service to download messages from another. Selecting this tells Gmail to regularly check your Ionos inbox and bring the messages into your Gmail account. Once you choose POP3 and continue, Gmail will show you several settings that you need to fill in so it can connect properly to Ionos. For the POP server, enter pop.ionos.com. For the port, enter 995. These values tell Gmail exactly where to go to pick up your messages and that it should use a secure connection. You'll see a checkbox that says always use SSL. Make sure this is checked. SSL encrypts the connection between Gmail and Ionos so your login details and emails are protected while they're being retrieved. This is essential for keeping your account secure. You'll also see an option that says something like leave a copy of retrieved message on the server. It's a good idea to check this box. With this enabled, even though Gmail is downloading a copy of each email, the original message will stay stored in your Ionos account as a backup. That way, if you ever stop using this Gmail account, change devices, or want to access mail directly through Ionos, all your emails will still be there. After confirming these settings and entering your Ionos password where prompted, save or add the account, Gmail will then test the connection. If everything is correct, it will start importing your existing emails and will continue checking for new ones at regular intervals. That's all there is to it. You've linked your Ionos email to Gmail using secure POP3 settings, with backups left safely on the Ionos server. From now on, you can manage your Ionos messages right inside your Gmail inbox, making your email workflow much simpler and more organized.